7 Benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most common household products. You may have seen it around the house and wondered what it is and not be aware of all of its marvelous properties, which you can take advantage of as often as you please, within reason, of course. For example, it can help remove splinters from your fingers and keep your teeth healthy and clean. Those are only 2 of the many benefits that baking soda has to offer. We are about to tell you some of the medicinal uses of baking soda. It is important to keep in mind all of the many natural health benefits of baking soda. Exfoliant. One of baking soda's best uses, that many people have come to take advantage of, is its use in exfoliant. Mix 2 baking soda tablets with a half cup of water, and you will see the perfect paste to use as an exfoliant for the face and body. The best part is that it's natural, affordable, and has no bad side effects. Detoxifying cleanse. If you mix apple cider with some baking soda, you will create one of the best detoxes around. With these 2 products you will create a wonderful cleanser that will free you from itching, pains, and detoxification. Stress. You can also add 3 spoonfuls of baking soda to a container with warm water, allow it to set for 5 minutes, and then take a great bath that will reduce your stress level and swelling of the feet. Bug bites. As if this were not enough, baking soda can even help with bug bites, even when they have become hard to treat. You can create a paste from a half cup of water and 3 spoonfuls of baking soda powder and rub it on the affected areas several times a day. Notice that after a short time all the skin irritation will disappear. Deodorant. If you are one of those people that is allergic to different deodorants and antiperspirants, we recommend you make your own homemade, natural deodorant. Mix a little water with baking powder and you can apply that mixture as a deodorant. You will be amazed by how well it works. Splinters. You can also entirely eliminate splinters with the mixture we are about to tell you about. Mix a pinch of baking soda into a glass of water, stir well, and apply to the affected area. These little annoyances will quickly disappear. Ulcers. This next tip is perfect for you or anyone else who may suffer from ulcers. You only need to add 1 or 2 teaspoons to a glass of clean water. You then mix well and drink a full dose daily. It's very important to make this part of your daily routine. Baking soda fights this condition by instantly stopping the production of stomach acid. We hope that this article will be useful for you. We also hope that you put these tips into practice to take advantage of all the benefits that baking soda can offer to you and your family.